NaviGuider is the first complete sensor-based orientation system for UAVs, ocean gliders, and robots. It needs no manual calibration and no additional algorithms. That makes about 52,415 hours of sensor fusing that you won't have to do. It comes supercharged with the latest military-grade algorithms, including continuous hard and soft iron magnetic auto-calibration, important magnetic anomaly compensation, and industrial-leading sensor fusion algorithms. While in use, the NaviGuider can detect the platform system magnetic field and immediately self-calibrate. Other modules require time-consuming, complex setup procedures to find Earth's magnetic field. NaviGuider requires no additional setup. To demonstrate, we have attached a NaviGuider module to this toy submarine. Note that as we start, the cal score, or calibration reading, is 180, meaning that the current heading error could be as large as 180 degrees. Instead of often difficult and time-consuming manual calibration procedures, the NaviGuider quickly isolates the Earth's magnetic field to provide accurate heading. Now the calibration is complete. The cal score drops below 3, now indicating a maximum heading error of just 2 degrees. Here, we introduce magnetic interference. Standard magnetic compasses react and jump, but NaviGuider holds steady, unaffected. Important for maintaining accurate heading in magnetically challenging environments. In this real-world demo, we have installed a NaviGuider module onto this drone. Instead of spending valuable time calibrating, we are able to immediately lift off and begin flying. The drone is equipped with GPS, a Pixhawk flight controller, and a NaviGuider I2C module from PNI Sensor. The orange line is the heading output from the NaviGuider. The NaviGuider finished calibration during flight right here. The blue line is the heading output from Pixhawk. The yellow dots represent the heading derived from GPS. The heading output from the NaviGuider in orange tracks the drone heading as it flies relatively straight under the shipping container bridge. The Pixhawk heading error gets larger as it approaches the shipping containers, which are very magnetic. The heading errors are large. The yellow dots represent heading outputs from GPS. The heading is unreliable because the drone is traveling at a slow speed, and the containers are creating multipath as well as occlusion underneath the shipping containers. NaviGuider from PNI Sensor, a complete sensor-based IMU guidance module that requires no external calibration and no additional algorithms. It's simple and easy to integrate.